Right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us, still on the matter. Yoruba Nation are going back, exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yeah, so another news is just reaching us right now on our platform, and then I think it's a good news. But majority of people who do not know what exactly it is or how it's happening, they have started saying something else. Yes, the good Lord has been upon the movement, Yoruba Nation movement, and then as it stands, God has been using one powerful man that the enemy have been trying to bring down, but God is bigger than them. You know, you don't know, you don't know. Right now, a lot of people, there's this news that have been going viral that Chief Sunday Igboho had been deported to Benin Republic. And definitely we all know the enemies of Chief Sunday Igboho, and then all this set of people are now taking it on the other way round. Yes, a lot of them have been mentioned. Yes, they pretend to be friends, but they are actually enemies. Yes. And then three names were mentioned that this set of people are against Chief Sunday Igboho, but they pretend to be like they are with him. I'm going to mention those names, yes. Hear me, I will mention those names. The first name that was mentioned is Said Omobota, one of the strong enemy of Chief Sunday Igboho. On their own mind, they thought Chief Sunday Igboho had been deported, but the reverse is the case. Another person that have been pretending to be like our friend but is our enemy that they mentioned is Awikonko. Yes, we must all expose them. Wherever you see all these kind of people, you will think they are for the Yoruba Nation movement or they are for Chief Sunday Igboho. No, but all they are looking for is his downfall. Yes, and exactly what it is. And then the third person is Casmo Media. This set of people have been mentioned times to that number. They are trying to look for, in fact, they are looking for the downfall of Chisunde Igboho, but God is bigger than them. Yes, right now as we speak, from the right source, from a reliable source, Chief Sunday Igboho is back to Benin Republic. Yes, we just got this from a reliable source, but for a reason. Nobody deported Chief Sunday Igboho, and then as it stands, this arrangement had been on ground with the news that has just reached us. This arrangement had been on ground that Chief Sunday Igboho, after spending 10 days in Benin Republic, he will still come back to, after spending 10 days rather in Germany, will definitely come back to Benin Republic, but not that it's going to remain there. But no, the best is going to be passed to you, most especially the true Yoruba Nation agitators. We don't know who is who right now. That's why most times there are some messages we don't pass, but we always say the little ones we know will benefit a lot of people. Yes, a lot of people are of the opinion that, oh, don't mind them, Chief Sunday Igboho had been deported. No, some people have been sending messages to themselves, but the truth of the matter right now had been that Chief Sunday Igboho on its own side had actually earlier made it open that the Germany that he was going to, that he will be staying just 10 days, then after which he will return to Benin Republic, just because of the Yoruba Nation movement, just because of the Yoruba Nation agitators. Right now, as we speak with the news reaching us, Chief Sunday Igboho is in Benin Republic. And I know a lot of people will be shocked that what exactly is Chief Sunday Igboho doing again in Benin Republic? Don't get it twisted. Chief Sunday Igboho is a father of all, and then he can decide to be wherever he wishes to be. And right now, a lot of reactions have been coming in. But one thing I want everybody to understand is that as far as this movement is concerned, as far as Yoruba Nation movement is concerned, every one of us need to understand that Chief Sunday Igboho is a man that God has sent to deliver the Yoruba people. And then, as it stands, a lot of people, enemies of Chief Sunday Igboho, are everywhere trying to get his downfall, but they will not know the procedures. And as it stands, we have been warned not to say much about it. Yes, a lot of them are coming out. You would think they are friends to Chief Sunday Igboho, but what they are actually looking for is his downfall. But God will not allow them to continue to make it work. Definitely it won't work for them. Right now, the good news had been that Chief Sunday Igboho is fully there to make the people happy. Now, as far as as it stands, Chief Sunday Igboho can go anywhere in the world right now. And then either the enemy like it or not, Chief Sunday Igboho is working tirelessly. And the God is, absolutely behind him. Either they like it or not. Anything they say, but all we know is Chief Sunday Igboho was not deported. And then as it stands, it is a very great news because the Yoruba nation agitators, the Yoruba people, will have rest of mind very, very soon. As far as Nigeria attack by the Fulani is concerned, everyone is going to have a full rest of mind. And it was also said, majority of people might not understand that if Chief Sunday Igboho says he is coming for to rescue his people right now as we speak, don't get it twisted. It's only the wise one that will understand that Chief Sunday Igboho is always there. Yes, even before his people get there, he's always there with his people. And exactly what is reaching us right now. Yes, so it's only for the wise that will understand what this is all about. And then that's exactly what we are talking about. Either you like it or not, Chief Sunday Igboho is a free man. Either you like it or not, Chief Sunday Igboho is a man who God has blessed, of which definitely we know no man can put a stop to that. Either they like it or not, either the enemy like it or not, they can never put a stop to that because God in heaven is absolutely behind him. For those ones who have been saying what they were not sent, what they don't know, they will continue to drag and they drag. But the fact remains that Chief Sunday Igboho is actually doing well. And then he is just the Messiah, either you like it or not, the Messiah that God has sent to save the Yoruba people. Right now, don't listen to anyone who has been blabbing because we already know them as the enemy of Yoruba nation, enemy of Chief Sunday Igboho. Right now, Chief Sunday Igboho have been vindicated, either they like it or not. The next step, they will not know and exactly how it's going to continue because they will be thinking, we need to know the next step, what exactly is going on. But God is bigger than them. As it stands, we'll continue to thank God for the life of Chief Sunday Igboho and the Yoruba nation agitators. All right, my brother, my side, this is exactly what's actually reaching us right now onto this. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you're just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.